Siding is done, sheetrock is done, third coat of spackle is done. They'll sand Monday. We're gonna paint next week, so we're in good shape on the inside. What you see here is we have our septic hooked up. It comes out of the house here. This is a clean out, which has to be within 5 feet of the building. This pipe then comes around, goes into these series of concrete tanks. This is called an AquaKlear tank. That's the company that makes this system. It's an alternative treatment system, an ATS. Becoming very popular, especially on a property like this on the lake. They're amazing systems, but they're very expensive. What happens is your waste from your house comes into these tanks. As you see, there's 3 green risers and lids. This being the riser, this being the lid. These are actually going to come up 6 more inches, but we didn't have the 6-inch risers. So what'll happen is it comes into here. This tank is 3 chambers. This tank constantly aerates and filters itself. When it comes out of the opposite end, which is here, this is just an inspection test port. But when the water comes out of here, goes into this tank, it's almost potable. They say it is potable. I'm not taking the first glass, but somebody please go right ahead. This tank is called a pump tank. This is finished grade. This has the right amount of risers on it. Inside of this one, there's a UV light, ultraviolet light, and that kills all the bacteria. It then goes into this, and this is where our pump is. And this pump goes into a 2-inch line and fills our field, which is located right here. So pretty much when the waste comes out, by the time it gets to the field, it's clean. There's no bacteria, no nothing in this water. And the only thing that goes into the field is water. It's just liquid. All your solids are trapped in these tanks. Disclaimer, I'm not a licensed septic installer. This was installed by a gentleman that we do work with all the time. They come in and install our systems for us. Works out much better.